How to order from Cnfans. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to order product on your Cnfan account. So to order item or from Cnfan, all you have to do now, go ahead now and find the Cnfan application on your mobile phone, or you can use the site. After you open the application like this, you can tap on your profile icon like this. So from there it will ask you to sign up, so you can use your email address and password to sign up. After you sign up on the Cnfan, you can tap on this home button. So from there you can be able now to see different product. Let's say now I wanted to buy a shoe, so I'll tap on the shoe button. After you find the product you want to buy, just select the product like this. So let's say I wanted to buy this shoe, I'll tap on the shoe that I want to buy. So after I select the product like this, tap on this buy button. After you tap on the buy button, here it will ask you to select a color. After you select the match of what you want to buy and the size, tap on this buy button. So from there now it will ask you to check up, so tap on this checkout button. So after you tap on the checkout button, from there now it will give you different payment method. As you can see now here, there are different payment method. This one is credit card or debit card. You can use Google Pay, you can use Skrill. So let's say just go ahead and choose the payment method that you want. Let's say you want to use your card, just select the credit card or debit card option and tap on this pay buy now button. So from this option now it will ask you to enter your card details. After you enter your card details, just tap on this pay USDT button. From there you order stuff from Cnfan. If you want this video helpful, please like and subscribe.